Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Range Rover Evoque 2018, and what we installed on this vehicle is what's called the StarLine M66 Smart Security System. Now, what problem we have today in this day and age is keyless car theft, and thieves are stealing your vehicle because of the basically it's very easy to get hold of these key frequencies from your car keys, because they're giving out constantly. Now the way they do it is they copy the frequency and they're able to relay back to the car, and they're able to open the vehicle. Now I'm going to simulate the way the thieves steal your vehicle. So let's say they go over your frequency, or they break your window. They can clone your key as well, and they get in your vehicle. So they open the door, and when they get in, they will not be able to start the vehicle at all. So as you can see, I'm pressing the start button, the car is not turning on. So yeah, the vehicle is immobilized as well. And also the system is connected to your phone, so you will also get a call come through. So if I answer that now,
alarm in alarm system mode, ignition is on.
as you heard, it said ignition is on. So they're trying to start the vehicle without a special tag, which I'll show it to you. So yeah, and the app also shows you the status of the vehicle. As you can see, it's the red dome, meaning that it's been interrupted and someone's broken in. And as you can see, that's the full map system. You can track your vehicle as well. It's got tracking built in. So yeah, I'm just going to bring you the tag now, so I'll show you how to disarm it. Alright, so now I got the tag. So this is the special tag you need. Without this tag, you cannot start your vehicle, and it will call you if otherwise let you know someone's obviously got in the car without the tag. So now that you got the tag with you, you can get in your vehicle. It's all hands free. So you unlock your vehicle as normal, and now if I try and start the vehicle, as you can see, the vehicle is now turned on. And also shows you on your phone the dome is not there, so that means it's disarmed, and it shows you ignition is on. So yeah, if you want this system installed on your vehicle to protect it from being stolen, give us a call on 0208 554 5554, or even come visit us at Ilford Gans Hill, 28 Cantley Gardens, IG 26QA. Thank you.